Hi, Ben. It's Mimi. I'm so excited to read The Day I Had a Bulldozer. The Day I Had a Bulldozer by Ashley Wall. I was eating breakfast when my dog Bobo started to bark a lot. "What is it, boy?" I asked. And here's Bobo the dog looking out the window barking. No way! I couldn't believe my eyes. A real-life bulldozer! And here's a big yellow bulldozer. I raced outside. What was a bulldozer doing at my house? And here he comes outside with his dog Bobo to check it out. As I got closer, I saw my name was on the bulldozer. Luke. What? This is awesome! I knew there was only one thing to do. Bobo and I hopped in and drove to Noah's house. As I pulled up, I slammed on the brakes. Here's Luke and Bobo riding in the bulldozer, and he's got his safety helmet on. No way! Noah was driving a dump truck. Check it out, Luke, he called. Did you know that dump trucks can hold about 28,000 pounds? So here we have the yellow bulldozer and the big red dump truck. That's a lot of dirt, I said. Let's test it out. We had just finished making the most gigantic dirt hill ever when Bobo leaped past us and flew right into the center. Here goes Bobo. He wants to play in the dirt. I bet Cooper and Ziggy would like playing in the dirt too. He spun in circles, wagged his tail, and dug a hole so deep he disappeared. Then he poked his head out like he had heard something. There's Bobo. He's got his ears up. I think he heard something. Then we heard it too. Whatever's making that noise must be humongous, I said to Noah, and we raced to the front yard. Crash, bang, crunch. They race to the front yard, and there's their blue house. And there's Bobo. He wants to see what's happening too. It was Mikey, rolling up in a steamroller. He was sitting up so high that he didn't see the trash cans. "Mikey," I shouted, "now the trash cans are flatter than the pancakes I had for breakfast." "Oops, I'm sorry," Mikey said. "I'm still getting used to driving this thing." Here's Mikey driving the steamroller. And he had crushed the garbage cans. Wow, you guys have a bulldozer and a dump truck? This is awesome, Mikey said. But whoops, now we bumped into the mailbox. Whoa, Mikey, let's go to the park before you flatten my house, Noah said. We cruised to the park. Look, I shouted, and here goes Luke with the bulldozer, and here's the steamroller, and the red dump truck. Emma was driving an excavator. This was officially the best day ever. Here's Emma driving the orange excavator. Hey guys, I was just about to dig a path to the new ice cream shop. Want to help? Emma asked. You bet, we all shouted. So all 4 trucks are going to go make a new path. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cleared the path with the bulldozer. Emma filled the dump truck with the excavator. Noah made huge piles of rubble with the dump truck. Wait, where was Mikey? No, not the swings, I called out as Mikey smushed the swings flatter than a piece of paper. Mikey driving the steamroller. He's got to have some practice driving, I said. Mikey, come flatten the road for us. I'm getting hungry for a strawberry ice cream cone with sprinkles, Emma said. Mikey led the way with the steamroller, making the new road to the ice cream shop. Thank you for clearing the road to my shop, Mr. Popsicle told us. You're welcome. We're happy to help, replied Emma. And here's the 4 children having ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's Bobo the dog getting a little drip of ice cream. Oh no, I exclaimed. It's getting late. I have to get home for dinner. Because even though I'm having fun with my friends, I still need to be home on time. Good thing we made a new road from the ice cream shop. I'll get home quicker than ever. Here's the ice cream shop and the new road going right to Luke's house. That night, I told my family all about my bulldozer adventure. Wow, what a day you had, my dad said. I wonder what tomorrow will bring. And here's Luke having dinner with his family. His mom, his dad, he has a little sister. And here's Luke and Bobo, his dog. The end. The Day I Had a Bulldozer was so much fun to read. I hope you loved it too.